Hello everyone, something came in the mail today. It's kind of exciting. Secret Lair Street Fighter, traditional foil edition. So they just charged us and I just got this today, so let's take a look at how, oh, here comes the challenger. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Let's see if these foils get any curling. I mean, I bet it's probably curl, but let's hope for the best. It's kind of nice, this box. Yep, already curled. I mean, we already know what the cards are, so I kind of just want to know what the secret card is, but let's take a look at that last. Yeah, I mean, if you're gonna open these, you gotta take these out quick, put them in sleeves, put it in the binder, bookcase, whatever. Just flatten them out. Okay. I mean, it looks kind of cool. Yeah, I guess it's called Honda Sumo Champion. Oh, sent to that. Honda Sumo Champion. YU World Warrior. Ken Burning Brawler. Blanca Ferocious Friend. His names are hilarious. Chung-Li Countless Kicks. Dao Zoom Palable Paphasis. Guile Sonic Soldier. And Zangief Red Cyclone. Kind of cool. It's him wrestling up here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 cards. Wow. 8 cards and the Hadouken. Wait a minute. This is Lightning Bolt. Wait, we know about this. Is there 2 cards in here or 1? I mean, we should know about the Hadouken Lightning Bolt. There's another card. Looks like there's 2 cards. Wait, maybe not. Oh, damn pieces. Is this a sticker card? What is this? Look at this Pringle-ness. Jeez. Look at the curvature. Gosh, this is terrible. Why is it like misprint? Why is it cut like this? Okay, is this a sticker? It could be a sticker. Should we peel it? I don't know. Interesting. Oh. That's it. Here's the card again. Thanks for watching.